how I got to where I am, how much YouTube pays me. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. If you are new to my channel and you don't know anything about Amazon FBA, check out my other videos, but in this video, I'm gonna go over my YouTube channel, how I got to where I am now, how much YouTube pays me, and give you all of the information that you might wanna know if you are starting a YouTube channel and you wanna earn money making videos. So before we get into it, if you could like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you could stay updated with videos like this every week. All right, so let's get into my computer right now and show you my YouTube channel and go over all of the numbers. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my computer, but before we get to my channel and all of my numbers, I wanted to point out these crazy YouTube statistics. So if you didn't know, YouTube is the second most popular social media platform with 1.9 billion users, so that's huge. 500 hours of videos are uploaded every minute on YouTube, and we watch over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos a day, which is more than Netflix and Facebook combined. So just think about that one. That is why everyone is trying to create content on YouTube, have longer videos and get more views, because YouTube is only going to grow from here and they are getting paid by YouTube to have content uploaded. So that's why you might want to start your own YouTube channel. This might be a little motivation for you. This kid, he just opens toys on his YouTube channel and he's blown up in a couple years. Now he makes over $26 million a year from YouTube, and he makes videos on opening toys and telling people about them and how he likes them, and he plays with the toys. So think about any type of idea that you might have that you are passionate about. You could start uploading videos and hopefully it blows up and you can make a full-time income off of YouTube. Let's get into my channel right now and you can see a realistic point of view from a smaller channel and see what you need for YouTube to actually pay you. So I'm gonna pull up my channel right here. And this is my dashboard. This is YouTube Studio. You can see all the analytics right here, all of your views, your watch time in hours. And you're probably thinking, that seems like a lot of watch time right here, but let me get into the actual content. So just a little history on my YouTube channel. Back in the day, about 10 years ago, I was making music videos on music that I made on my computer. If you have a little time, you could check out my old music if you're interested, but it was called Function and a lot of people promoted it. You could just type in that name on YouTube and you'll see a whole bunch of videos with my old music, but I kind of got over it. It wasn't a dream anymore and I was getting sick of making music, and then my channel remained inactive for over 5 years, just collecting dust. So I got a lot of videos taken down because I did remixes of popular songs and I got copyright complaints and all of this stuff. So I decided to close that channel down and recreate it with the new lifestyle that I'm doing, which is selling products on Amazon and other ways to make money online. So if you are still with me from way back in the day, I really appreciate it. I know it's not the same type of content, but you are still with me. It's the same person, and thank you for that. But let's actually get into my numbers on YouTube. So I only have about 30 videos and I started uploading the new videos about 9 to 10 months ago. So I don't have a ton of content, but let me get into my numbers right now. So I have 8,589 subscribers, which seems pretty good, but let me pull up how much they are actually paying me.
Are you ready for it?
You should be excited. Here we go. I'm gonna pull it up right here, monetization, and boom. I am not making any money on YouTube. And this is why. So when you start a YouTube channel, you have to have over 1,000 subscribers to actually be a YouTube partner and get paid for your content. So I have that requirement. I have 8,580 subscribers, but look at my watch hours. So I only have 581 hours of watched content, and you need 4,000 hours of watch time. That is equivalent to 166 days of people just watching your videos 24/7. It's crazy because back in the day when I was doing those music videos, I would make about $100 to $200 a month just on a couple of videos that I had. So it's a lot different nowadays and it's getting more competitive like everything else in the world. So as you know, I don't have a ton of content, but I am creating more. But I am not in this to monetize my content. I share videos to help other people and in my group, and I really enjoy doing this stuff. But it'd be cool to get paid eventually if I keep doing these videos, which I probably will. So if I like doing it, I'm getting paid, then nothing is better than that. So that is why you should probably start a YouTube channel. If you have ideas that you want to share with the world and you want to get it out to people and just create a channel of things that you like to do, then eventually you could earn money like all these other crazy YouTubers out there, like that one kid Ryan. He's making millions. Don't expect that, but eventually you can. You never know. It's a endless possibility these days with YouTube. So now you know that you need over 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. So that is why you see these videos that are like 10 to 20 minutes long on YouTube now. They are trying to get that watch time so they get more money from YouTube. So I'm actually gonna let this video run for another 30 minutes. So just stay tuned and then just keep watching so I could get that watch time and start making that money. Thank you guys. I'm just kidding about that, but now you know about YouTube, what you need to know before you start your channel, and I still think it's a great opportunity if you plan on creating content. You might as well share it with people if you like doing it, and if you are shy or you don't want to be on camera, just remember, who cares what other people think? Before I started this channel, I never wanted to be on camera. I thought I was ugly, which I probably am, but I don't care anymore, and I don't care how I talk. I always thought I sounded weird, and you might think I do, but I got the channel, I'm helping other people out, and you just have to get over that hump, and then as you get more videos out, you will get more comfortable when you are filming your content. So just keep that in mind. If you have a roadblock, just get over that. It's only you thinking about that. Other people don't think the same, and if they do, who cares? Just start your channel and you never know what can happen. Hope you enjoyed this content. Again, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. My main content on the channel is about selling on Amazon and earning money online, but I like to do videos like these to kind of break it up and give you a break from all of my typical videos. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.